Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and yourself. Make sure the battery is at least 50% charged or plug-in, because inconsistent power causes uneven output. Once done, clean the roller with 70% isopropyl and dry it so sensors read correctly. Next, attach the head designed for your task and twist until it clicks to secure. You do this first to prevent mid-process swapping. It keeps calibration stable and avoids damage to delicate rollers as you begin operation. Now you configure parameters. Choose gentle for sensitive tasks, standard for normal use, or intense for stubborn areas, because matching mode to material prevents wear. After selecting mode, dial speed across 3 increments while watching the feedback lights to ensure stable RPM. Then, hold the roller at about a 30 degrees angle and make 2 to 3 second passes, moving steadily without pressing hard. This controlled motion preserves roller life and yields consistent results. If you rush, the finish will be uneven. To finish, power down and let the unit idle for a short cooldown of 5 to 10 minutes so internal components settle. Then remove the head, wipe the roller with a lint-free cloth, and store it in its case to avoid dust contamination. If you encounter unusual vibration or noise, stop immediately. Check that the head is fully seated and that the battery is secure, because loose parts or low power cause imbalance. If problems persist, contact support for a targeted inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.